Good morning. This is Mrs. Carr. Today is Thursday, April 16th. We are so close, guys, to the end of the week. So let's make sure we get this done. So taking care of lesson 4, math rundown. Here we go. So the very first thing that you're going to do is, I told you guys yesterday to save that video. I don't know if you remember. So this is that video here. I told you to save that for tomorrow. Well, hey, here's tomorrow. This is that same video. So we're watching that video first. Okay, so you would just click on it and watch it there. So that's from Learn Zillion. And then you are picking, guys. We've talked about this before. You're not doing all of these links here. And this is your PDF version versus your digital version. PDF version versus your digital version. And of course, your answer keys. As always, it's probably easiest for you guys if you were to simply do the digital version so that you can share it with your teacher that way. But if not, there's nothing wrong with it. Simply print off that PDF if you want. Even if you don't print it off, if you simply want to do your work on a sheet of paper and take a picture of it and share it with your teacher that way. So here's your first option. So as you can see, you'll click on that. And this is some models, okay? And then of course this is an addition problem, models, and here's your addition problem with models, and then some word problems that you can try, and then some not word problems that you can try. Okay, or you can go to this digital version here, and then it's going to, yes, it forces you to make a copy, and once you open that up, then you can simply put in the answers. Today, there it is, today, okay, and there's that top, there's that anchor chart example that you can look at, but here it gives you the box that you can type your answers into if you want. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and share that document with your teacher. And then again, once you share your document with your teacher, please guys make sure that you're going back and checking your emails, which you can get through from your dashboard. Check your email, go to your dashboard if you don't already how to do so. I would highly suggest you pinpointing that or bookmarking that site to your tab up here. I'm talking about your email. I would bookmark your email to your bar up here to make it easy to get to. All right, here's the answer key for that. Again, don't be looking at the answer key until you're done, guys. And then if you get it wrong, please make sure you're going back and making those corrections. And then here's your second option. Remember, you're picking one, not doing both. Okay, and here's your example, and then here are some sample problems. Only 12 problems, and again, you are adding. The nice thing is about these top pair that these are already lined up for you. Please don't forget to, for example, this is a subtraction problem, so you're going to need a 0 there. And like, for example, a 0 here, because remember, you can't take 3 away from nothing. But for these, they're not set up vertically already. These are horizontal problems, so you're going to need to set them up vertically and make sure you're lining those decimals up. Feel free to use grid paper if you have it, so that you can set those up correctly. All right, and then here's your answer key here. As always, these are the same amount of questions, so one is not shorter than the other. All right, then over here, you have your open middle options if you want to. But once you're done with that, then you're going to come back here, answer your discussion post, guys. That's how we know you're following along, keeping up with what's happening during the week, reading the directions. So make sure you're answering that discussion post. And then when you're done with that, you're going to go back out into the week. If you have not already gotten to your I need help or you're giving me more options, then this would be a good time to do that if you haven't done so before. As always, if you have questions, you can message your teacher from your message button up here. Any work that you need to do, please make sure that you are sharing it with your teacher. If you're posting inside the discussion, or excuse me, rather, when you post inside the discussion, please make sure you are going back and checking it because your teachers are replying. Again, your teachers are replying to your post, so please make sure you're going back and checking them. All right, guys, that is it for today. I hope you have a good one. Tomorrow's Friday, so looking forward to it, and I will see you then. Bye-bye.